Okay, in this video we're going to be scrapping out, taking apart a fairly unique item. This was picked up at a municipality auction. This is a union switch and signal switch track machine. And this was used at an interurban light rail like you get on, not like a tram, or it's like the inner city rail lines, like MARTA or something like that. And this is used to switch the tracks. So you just got a little yellow brass piece right there. These are going to be cast yellow brass there and there. Look like some pretty heavy gauge wire. I'm going to take this top off. You can see down in there that's going to be some pretty heavy gauge copper in there that we're going to try to get to it. This it looks like it's dry in there, but it may have some type of oil fittings on it. I know that's probably what those are. There's some type of lubricant fitting. And then we have some bolts there that I'm hoping this thing will come apart. All in all, it weighs, well over 100 pounds. It's a very heavy item. So we're going to be taking it apart, and we're also going to be making our announcement for our Friday, October 31st giveaway. And that person is Kathy Keith. Kathy Keith, subscriber. So, Kathy, if you're watching, I hope you will. Contact me through the message. Get me your information, and we'll get that card out to you. So, and now we're going to tear into this and see what we come up with. Okay, we've taken these 4 bolts out that ran in each corner here. We've also taken the nut and the gear off of this back side, and that takes the front of this off, and we've got it set over here. And we'll have to take another piece off it because it's got this yellow brass grease fitting and bearing there. We'll take it off, but that gives us an inside view. Now some of these are filled with a grease solution that runs out, so if you ever get a hold of one of these, you want to make sure you don't open it and let that spill out everywhere. But it's basically set up just like a large drill or any other type of Tesla type design motor. Has a copper on each corner of it that turns it, so I'm not going to be able to move this out a little bit to where you can see. Oh my goodness, that thing is heavy. And that's all copper wound up in there. So we'll try to break this down a little bit more to get that copper. And each one of those there that you can see is going to be a copper wound pod. One on each corner of that. And they're held in with these screws up here. So I'm not real sure if that's going to be real easy to get loose or not. But I am glad that this was used fairly recently. If it ever were to get rusty or something like that, I don't think it'd be ever be possible to get it broken down and take it apart, because it is cast and extremely heavy. So we're going to continue to break this down. Hopefully we can get those screws loose to release those pods. So we'll keep going. We've got each end of our cast enclosure taken loose and broke loose. That leaves us with this piece with the wound copper pods in there, and this copper bearing piece there. We had some wire there, some yellow brass on the fittings that go across the for the grease fittings there on the end. Some yellow brass tips there, and some red brass bolts and other items in there. There's a couple pieces of some copper rings, and then we got this heavy piece of cast here and there, and I'll go ahead and get all that stuff out of the way to give us a little more room, and we'll start breaking down these items here. At least I hope we can. I've tried to take a couple of those screws loose there, but they've been pretty unforgiving so far, but we'll keep working. Okay, I was unsuccessful on trying to get these screws out, so basically what you have to do, is what I had to do rather, is take a flathead screwdriver and work this canvas and epoxy coating off of this wind of copper there. You know, there's one on each corner. And once you do that, you just kind of work the copper around, and it comes out in a ring around that. And I tried to turn this thing over without any gloves on, and that's why I've got myself dirty. And so once you get those wound out, it really is worth it to do that, because you're taking out a pretty good hunk of copper off of each one of those, so it's really worth it. So that is scrapping out a Union Signal switch machine. Again, I want to thank you for watching, and congratulations to Kathy Keith for winning our Friday subscriber giveaway. Send me your mailing information in the message, and we'll get that out to you. Again, thanks for watching, and happy scrapping.